our responsibility. It takes each and every one of us to save our environment. I am Suchitra Patil from 2nd PU Science. I wish World Environment Day to all of you. World Environment Day is being celebrated from the year 1974. This day is also known as Eco Day. Global warming is a root cause of a renewal of our environment. To fight against COVID-19, how we united together in the same way, we have to unite together to save our environment. For any event in our day-to-day life, we pray God to make it happen in a good way. One prayer can change many impossibilities. In the same way, let us welcome Ananya CH from 2nd Commerce to invoke God's blessing.
See the sun shine in the window, time to start a new day. Can't you hear the songbird singing? I'm gonna sing out loud and say, 'cause it's a beautiful day for running in the sun. A beautiful day has just begun. A beautiful day to do I want to do. Aha, 'cause it's a beautiful day just to be alive. A beautiful day, so glad that a beautiful day, and I like to share with you. I like to share with you. Look around, as the world has beauty, from the mountains to the sea, and there's a wonder around every corner, awaiting there for you and me. 'Cause it's a beautiful day for running in the sun. A beautiful day has just begun. A beautiful day to do I want to do. Aha, 'cause it's a beautiful day just to be alive. A beautiful day, so glad that I got a beautiful day, and I like to share with you. I want to share with you. I want to share with you.
Small acts can have huge impacts. On this special day, let's pledge to go green and think green. So, let's inaugurate this function by planting the saplings.
Hi friends, this is Sharon Esther from St. Aloysius PU College. If you cut a tree, you kill a life. If you save a tree, you save a life. If you plant a tree, you plant a life. Plant a tree so that next generation can get oxygen for free. Save trees, save nature. To save nature, let us join our hands together and save our beautiful environment. Thank you.
Thank you all for inaugurating this function.
True meaning of planting a tree is planting a new hope. Now, I'd like to call Tejaswini A from 2nd Commerce to talk about this event.
Hello everyone, it's me Tejaswini. I'm here to present a short speech on environment. An environment is everything that is around us, which includes living and non-living things such as soil, water, animals and plants, which adapt themselves to the surroundings. The environment plays an important role in the existence of life on the planet Earth. Need for food, water, shelter and other things depends on the environment around us. There must be balanced natural cycle which exists between environment, human beings and animals. A healthy environment is one that is sustainable for a long period of time. It directs the life of everyone and determines the proper growth and development. There are many advantages of environment, such as reduction in waste through reuse and recycling, recycled materials in new products, reduction of toxic chemicals in the environment. There are some disadvantages also on environment. They are lack of unforeseen events. Environmental analysis does not predict the future. No assurance as to organizational effectiveness. Our natural environment make human life possible, and our cultural environment helps to define who we are. It is therefore essential that our population and economic growth are environmentally sustainable. Of pollution leaves a huge negative impact on our environment, animal lives, and human lives. We, the responsible citizens, we should take the steps towards a better tomorrow. We must join our hands and take initiatives to fight against these problems. Thank you everyone. Have a great day.
Thank you, Tejaswini. Now, I would like to welcome Sadia to share her words.
As the saying goes, the earth is what we all have in common, the environment. Which tells our Sadia of second PUC EBA start with the World Environment Day. World Environment Day is celebrated every year on June 5 globally. It is the day on which we spread awareness about the environment and the need to conserve it. Moreover, it is essential to advocate for a greener environment and conservation of nature. It is quite simple as when we conserve the environment today, the future generation will be able to lead the healthier life. We cannot be so selfish and use up all the resources for ourselves. World Environment Day is the perfect opportunity to make people aware to the issues we are facing and how one can contribute to saying it. Though it is quite important in its own way. What are the day when students call dignitaries to talk about the environment and colleges plant fillings to mark a World Environment Day. Like many other platitudes, this one gets quickly forgotten, sampling that parts are discarded and its business as usual soon. Importance of World Environment Day. World Environment Day reminds us to strengthen the world and ensure that nature is preserved at all costs. It throws light on the causes which are causing serious harm to our environment. For instance, industry and factories are contribute largely to pollution. They are discouraging the quality of air that we breathe and the water we consume. Those these days serve as an eye opener for many citizens who aren't aware of all this. In other words, it spread awareness among the common people, which the environment is facing right now. Moreover, it also encouraged the public from different societies and communities to take active participation in celebrating the day. Further, it also urges them to become active agents in developing environment safety methods. Not just that, it also encourages everyone to keep their nearby surroundings safe and clean so that everyone can have greener and more prosperous future. To sum it up, always remember that the gift and blessing with nature endures on us but priceless. It rather essential to conserve them all for a better future and life for all always. Remember that small steps will help you reach your goal. Thank you. Stay safe, stay green, and plant more trees in our surroundings.
Thank you, Sadia.
Gratitude makes sense of past, brings peace for today, and create a vision for tomorrow. So, it's time to thank all of you for being a part of this event. First of all, I would like to thank Superior of our college for the Eric Matthias SJ. I thank you for the. Now, I would like to thank Finance Officer of our college for the Rayappa SJ. I thank you for the. And now, I would like to thank for the Praveen and Brother Pritesh for being in this event. I thank you both. Now, I would like to thank our respected principal, Mr. Sunny Gudino. I thank you, sir. I am glad to thank our vice principals, Mrs. Pushpalata Aras and Miss Princey Flavia Pinto. I thank you, teachers. Now, I would like to thank all my teaching and non-teaching staff. I thank you all. Last but not least, I thank all my dear friends for being very patient in this function. I thank you all. Thank you. Thank you one and all.
My dear students, good morning to all of you. Every year on the 5th of June, together with the entire world, we celebrate the World Environment Day. And this year, to make the celebration meaningful, St. Aloysius College has organized a beautiful program titled Go Green with suitable events for all our students. And one such event is planting a sapling and beautifying the surrounding. I invite and urge all of you to take part in these events actively and to make the program a successful one. To take part in this particular event, namely planting a sapling and beautifying the surrounding, all you need to do is you need to plant a sapling and you need to make a video of the same for 1 or 2 minutes and send it to my WhatsApp number. The best one will be recognized and highly rewarded. The Mother Earth has given us enough. Let's do now our part to take care of it.
Good morning, students. I'm Mr. Mohsin from Commerce Department. I'm here to explain you about the competitions of Go Green Week. So I'm the in charge for placard making competition. I request you all to join and participate for the competition of placard making. So the competition date is on 11th of June 2021. I request all the students to register your name along with the class and combination through our college WhatsApp number and prepare a short video of 4 minutes of preparing placard and send it to our college WhatsApp number on 11th of June 2021. And the theme for the competition is Save Trees. All the best. Have a nice day.
Good morning, students. I am Ms. Diksha from Department of Biology. As we all know that we are celebrating Go Green Week in account of World Environment Day. The Go Green Week is celebrated by conducting some of the competition. One among them is Environment Protection Play. As the poster has already been circulated, you already know the theme for the World Environment Protection Play. The theme is connecting people to nature and the competition date is 7/6/2021. The video of the duration 7 minutes has to reach the event organizer by 2 p.m. on the particular date, that is on 7th, and other general rules have been already given in the poster. Any queries you can contact to the event organizer and can send the video on the mail ID which has been there in the poster already given. Thank you.